In this second lecture, we will discuss how framework has been structured. Let us now discuss what are the components of CSF. It is basically three components. First one is core, second one is tiers, and third one is profile. Let us understand what is framework core. It is heart of CSF and provides a set of cybersecurity activities and outcomes. In short, it provides the best practices that an organization needs to adopt. It has total 6 functions, 22 categories and 106 subcategories. Each function is divided into categories and each category is further divided into subcategories. You need to implement these subcategories as applicable to you to align with CSF. Tiers. Implementation tiers describes how well an organization manages their cybersecurity risk. There are 4 tiers which help the organization to understand their current level of cybersecurity risk management procedures. So, first tier is partial. It is when risk management practices are not formalized. Second tier is about risk informed. Here, risk management practices are in place but not consistently applied. Third one is repeatable, which means these practices are formalized and consistently applied. And fourth and the highest category is adaptive. Here, organization actively adapts and improves their cybersecurity practices. Let us now discuss about profile. Profiles help to understand the current state and the future goals of an organization's cybersecurity activities. Current profile shows what is being done right now, whereas target profile shows what needs to be done to meet the future cybersecurity goals. So for example, current profile may be tier 1 and then you expect to reach tier 3 in next 2 years. So that is your target profile. Please understand, framework does not provide any strict templates for documenting the profiles. It allows the organization to create their own profiles based on their requirement and needs. So this is the basic information. We will discuss about each component in our subsequent lectures. Let us recap some of the important aspects by way of multiple choice question. First question. Framework includes 3 components: core, tiers and profile. So which of the following responses best represents the core? Correct answer is option A. Framework core is set of cybersecurity activities and outcomes. In short, best practices that need to be followed. Option B describes the implementation tiers. Option D is about profile. Let us discuss the next question. Which of the following best describes tiers in CSF? Correct answer is option B. As we discussed earlier, there are 4 tiers. Option A is about framework core that provides 106 subcategories that you need to adopt. Option D is about profile, to understand your current profile and expected profile. Next question. What are the 4 implementation tiers in CSF? We already discussed option A. Next question, which of the following best describes a partial tier? Correct answer is option A, wherein risk management practices are not yet formalized, not yet documented, not yet consistently applied. So first one is partial, second one is risk informed, wherein practices are there but not consistently applied. Third one is repeatable, where practices are formalized and consistently applied. And fourth one is when organizations actively adapt and improve their cybersecurity practice. Which of the following best describes an adaptive tier? Already discussed option D. First one is partial, option B is about risk informed, option C is about repeatable, and option 4D is about adaptive. Next question. CSF includes 3 components: core, TS and profile. Which of the following requires to set an expected target profile? Your answer should be option D, wherein current profile is being documented and the target profile is being checked. Option A is about core, option B is about TS, and as we discussed, option D is about framework profile. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss in detail about framework core. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.